Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be swapping out some coil springs. I won't be replacing these shock absorbers, I've done them recently, but I'll show you how to anyway. So all you're going to need for this job is your axle stands, a jack, a breaker bar and a socket set. Nice easy one. We'll start by breaking the wheels off. At this point we're going to jack the car up on both sides using the back axle. Now you want to pop an axle stand under each side, just behind the wheel. I would suggest getting the little pads if you're going to sit them on your ridges, but as you can see mine are knackered from previous owners, so oh well. Now we can drop the jack till they're just touching the axles. Once everything's secured, we can get the tyres off. With both tyres off, you now have access to the top side of your shock absorber. So you have a bolt here and a bolt down here. You can remove either bolt to drop the axle down. Normally this one's a little bit easier to do, so we're going to go for that one. We're going to do the same on both sides, and once both pins are out we can then drop the axle and that will allow us to get the springs out. So we'll get that done now. Now we'll pop the rubbers on the top of the springs. And sit it back in place. Now if you were changing the shocks as well, you would be removing these bolts, and that will allow you to take the shock out, put the new shock back in, do the bolt back up. Now with both springs in, we can go ahead and jack the axle up again. The spring wells on the axle do actually have a little notch where the end of the spring should go, so as you're going up, just make sure you've got them in the right place on both sides. And we're looking to jack it so your shock absorber lines up again, which is not far off there. Now I'm going to reinstall the shock absorber bolt. Don't tighten it yet. Now the axle's under load, we can do up both bolts on the shocks. So we'll do them up. Do the same to the other side, and there we have it. All we need to do now is pop the wheels back on. And get the axle stands out of the way. Then we can drop the car. Once we're down, we'll get the wheels tucked up. And there we have it. New set of springs installed. And the shocks if you're doing that. Right, an easy one. Well, I hope the video helped you out, guys. If you need any help with anything else, just let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.